Hello everybody, welcome back. As promised, we're going to send some soil off to a professional laboratory to see what results we get. We did some previous testing with this little guy, which measures moisture, light, pH levels. We got a pH of about 7. Next we used this test kit from Amazon by Lusterleaf. Measures pH, which we got to be 6, 6.5. Our phosphorus, according to it, was deficient. Nitrogen was deficient. Potassium, sufficient. So, okay, nice little test kit to give you a ballpark of where you're standing with your soil. And here, here we have the professional testing kit that actually gets sent off to the laboratory. This one is from rxsoil.com. Not sponsored by them. I went on Google, typed in soil kit. This is one of the ones that popped up. There was decent reviews for it, so I decided to go with it. They send you this little box, prepaid return label. You open it up. Instructions very clear. Take some soil samples 2 to 6 inches below the surface, bag it, send the soil back, keep the card because there's a special little customer and sample number that you need to log on to get your results, and then you get your results. I ordered this kit on March 11th. It got to me on March 15th or 16th. And as we're filming right now, it's currently March 18th. So we'll see what the turnaround time is. So very simple. You have your little bag. I've already pulled out a couple of plugs. Put them in your little bag. You want to try to avoid the top part with the grass. You want to get the, like it says, 2 to 6 inches below. Stick them in our bag. Close it up. Put in our little box. It has this little thing here so you can shut the box. And that's it. We're gonna stick this in the mailbox, and I'll get back to you guys when we have the results of our soil. And with the power of editing, we're back to the results of our soil test. So, as you can see here, if you log on to their website, they give you a nice chart, a nice little color-coded readout of what you need in your soil. There's a printout with the graph. And if we compare it to the at-home soil test, the results are fairly comparable. If we look at the pH, we thought it was like 6, 6.5. We got 6. Phosphorus, we said deficient. If we look at the phosphorus, we are deficient. Nitrogen, which I think there's no specific number for nitrogen here, but I'm thinking they're relating it to organic matter, was deficient. We're deficient here also. Potassium, though, the home kit said we were sufficient, but if we look here, we're deficient there. On the iron, we actually have a lot of iron in our soil, so that's good. That's going to help the grass get nice and green. And here they also give you a section of recommendations, what to add to your soil. So, for instance, my soil needs 3 pounds of nitrogen annually for the area that I have, because you put in the area of how big your lawn is. Need a ton of lime, a little bit of phosphorus, some potassium, and micronutrients. And they also give you a routine of what to put down. So for instance, in the spring, they're recommending, and these are just their recommendations, but of what sort of fertilizer. For instance, a 1602, so one that's heavy with nitrogen. Phosphorus, this, some sort of mineral, don't even know what that is. Micronutrients, some lime. In the summer, they're saying not to put anything down in the summer. And then in the fall, another fertilizer, really heavy with the nitrogen. It looks like a 32010. Some more phosphate, some more lime. And in the winter, they're saying not to do anything. And another thing I like about this, that you could actually just add all these products that they're recommending right to an Amazon shopping list and just order everything right off the bat. So, very impressed with the soil testing kit from rxsoil.com. Again, I am not sponsored by them. I just typed in soil kit into Google. This was one of the ones that popped up. I ordered it, I paid for it with my own money, and I think it's a good resource to have, especially you get the full layout, nice graph of what you need to add to your soil, and the convenience of one-click link that it just adds everything to Amazon. You could order it and you could get going with a nice lawn. Also, I think we're gonna see that this is a good little product to have too. You know, just test it yourself and it'll show you what you need to add. It won't be as comprehensive as this, where we're getting numbers and charts and we're getting recommendations, but you get a general idea of what you need to add to your lawn to make sure that it's healthy. Anyway, thanks again. I hope this helps. Please like and subscribe, and take care.